So this is the final terminal, or final terminus, I think they call it. And this is where the trains sleep at night. Good morning. I'm at the BTS station again. And this time I'm in the north of Bangkok to show you guys the northern extension of the green BTS line. So I'm now in Phahon Yothin 59, which is the name of this train station. I've been here already a couple of days ago when it opened, because it opened on Wednesday and now it's Friday. But when I came here, it was very cloudy and I did not really like the footage that I shot, and I did not get a good space in the train to film. So I decided to give it one more shot today. The new BTS line, it covers 3 provinces. It starts in the south at Samut Prakan, at the Khu station, and then it goes through Bangkok, and then up north to Pathum Thani, where I am now. So my train is arriving. It's around 9:30 in the morning, and I have a really nice sunshine in my back. So I think today I can film everything really nice. Yeah, as you can see from this station on, the train is almost empty. So there is 7 new stations that opened. And this is station N18, and it's open until N24. What I learned in the last couple of days is that, all the trains, they have all these commercial folders, stickers on the outside. So the best way to film is when you're in the last carriage or the first, because there you have the open view, because these are the only wagons that don't have the stickers on it. But I noticed I'm in luck today, because I have a train that doesn't have any stickers. So I can just walk up and down the train and show you everything. So yeah, this line is bringing you close to the Don Mueang Airport. Don Mueang Airport is actually in front here. In the next part I will make a close-up. I already went with the train here. So this is Sai Yud station, and after there's one station called the Bhumibol Hospital, and after the Bhumibol Hospital there's a big screen on the side of the track, so from there on you cannot see anything anymore. So I'm trying to get my shots now of the airport. So Don Mueang Airport is right in front here. You can see the tower of the airport, and also what you can see is the stations of the red line. And the red line is a train. It's called the SRT, but it functions a bit like the metro system, like the BTS or the MRT. And the red line will open next year. So we're getting now to Saphan Mai station.
Saphan Mai.
Yeah, so the BTS opened in 1999, and originally there were 17 stations, and it was running between Onut and Mochit. And when I arrived in Bangkok, these were also the only two stations, or not the only two, but these were the two end stations that I know. And for a very long time, that was actually the BTS line. But since a couple of years, they've been extending, and they've been extending to all the different provinces. And now there are 47 stations as of last Wednesday. From here you can see the airport a little bit better. And there's the screen that I was talking about. Yeah, so the screen is on the left side where the airport is. Here on the right side it's still open, but there will be a screen very soon as well. And I understand it. I mean, the screens are there because Don Muang is not only a commercial airport, but it's also an Air Force base. So I can understand that the government doesn't want to have people peeking in from the train here. So I'll give you a shot from the other side. Yeah, so the BTS line now has, what I said, 47 stations. It's 53.5 kilometers long, which is a bit over 33 miles. I think it's 33.3 miles. And yeah, I mean, you can really cross the whole city by train now. If you start in the south, then, you know, if you start in the south, I made a video about the seagulls. So that's basically where you can start. And then from there, you can do the whole ride through the town. So you drive through the city center. The most notable stations, of course, are Asok and Siam. And then you head up north. So as you can see, the train is completely empty. Well, not completely empty. I cannot disrespect the people that are in here.
Royal Thai Air Force Museum.
So the next station is the Royal Thai Air Force Museum. I saw, you know, when it was passing. I mean, it's blocked on both sides, so you cannot see anything. Let me just give you another update about the blockage. There it is. But yeah, the Royal Thai Air Force Museum, I'm very interested to go and have a look there one time, because I saw a lot of airplanes that they have like on stilts, and it looks very interesting. Just a little bit about my background. I come from a town called Enschede in Holland, and in Enschede there's an Air Force base, or there used to be an Air Force base. So when I grew up, a lot of planes were flying and doing their exercises every day. So I grew up with F-16s and F-5s. I remember I used to go on a bicycle and go to the Air Force base and get stickers and posters of the airplanes and everything. There was like an information center. So I am definitely gonna visit the Royal Thai Air Force Museum, and I'll make a nice video about it. And now it's gonna be blocked from here, so we cannot see. Well, actually, I can give you a small peek of these planes. Oh, I'm getting very nerdy today. Let's say the BTS brings the nerd out of me. So that's an F-16, and I think the one on the right is an NF-5. Anyway, so as you can see now, everything is blocked now on both sides. So it's almost like going through a tunnel. But this is a nice opportunity to show you guys the whole train. So the next station is Yaek Kor Por Aor, and I'm not sure, but I read something that there were plans to make a connection from here to the airport, so that people can use this train to go to Don Muang Airport, because we are next to the airport, but we are on the wrong side. We're on the wrong side of the tracks, let's say it like that. There's a plane coming in. I can give you a little bit of airport. Yeah, so the highway and the entrance of the airport is on the other side of the airport, so we are on the wrong side. But what I said, I read something that there were plans to, because if they can make a transport connection, let's say a shuttle bus from here, then this would be the way to get to the airport. Okay, so here the screen is gonna end, and we're gonna get to the end station. Yeah, so here in the north you have the Rangsit area. That will be connected in the future with the red line. So we're getting to Khu Khot. Mirella was saying, we can go to Khu Khot with the train. I said, no! Khu Khot is a very nice island near Koh Chang. Yeah, I definitely need to get myself a foldable bike, and I'm gonna buy one for sure. And then I will be able to go to these kind of stations here, and then just bike around and explore. Because this looks like a cool exploration place. So this is the final terminal. Or final terminus, I think they call it, and this is where the trains sleep at night. I think there is one at Mochit as well. I don't know if they still use it. Depot and workshop and the administration control center. That's what it says on the building there. Yeah, so on Wednesday I already visited this station, and there is not really a lot around here. So I will go out, I will show you the station, and then I will take the train back.
Khu Khot.
Khu Khot. Yeah, always when you have a new extension, people are not used to take the train, so most of these stations and trains are very empty. Okay, so I'm here at Khu Khot Station. I will give a small run around. I see the other train is already preparing to go back, so I'm not gonna run and catch that one. I will just take my time and give you guys a little peek of the Khu Khot Station. A lot of greenery around here, but obviously being connected now with the BTS, it wouldn't surprise me if there was going to be a bit of construction on this side here. There's another plane coming into Don Muang Airport. The Thai Lion Air, I think, sir. I'm happy I came back here and took the train again because the weather is so much nicer now. Everything is so clear. So yeah, I'm excited always to show you guys the newest transports in Bangkok. So the next one up will be the red SRT line. I saw that there was already some new train stations, and I read something about a station that got into service the other day. So if any of my Thai followers knows more about this, feel free to inform me and send me out to film it. I'm happy to do it. You know, I love the transport, so as you guys know. Okay, so I'm going back up and going back with the train, and I hope you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.